Hey there, AT and Tim here with a new episode of EDU at 90. Today we're talking all about Google Earth and how it can be helpful in the classroom.
Google Earth has been around for quite some time, and it's never been easier to get it up and running in your classroom. The Earth experience can be explored directly from your Chrome browser through earth.google.com. Let's jump in.
To start, let's look at some basic navigation in Google Earth. You can use the buttons in the bottom right-hand corner to easily zoom in on the area you want to explore more closely. And if you get lost, you're able to use the compass to get reoriented and back on track.
By toggling the 2D, 3D button, you can get to a 3D isometric view of the area. This view allows you to check out detailed 3D models of buildings and to get a better sense of geographic features like hills and elevation.
Searching for a particular city will pull up an info card on the top right. You can click on this card to bring up information from Google's Knowledge Graph. Here, you can find background information about the city, check out places of interest, and then make the jump to view them on Earth.
Google's famous I'm Feeling Lucky option from search has also made its way to Earth. By clicking on the die on the left sidebar, your students will be randomly taken to one of 20,000 interesting places on Earth.
Let's dive deeper into classroom uses for Earth. For lesson preparation, teachers can pre-populate bookmarked lists of locations, then easily navigate through them during class. Also, any individual Earth location can be shared directly to Classroom using the Share button on the left navigation bar. Educators can share a specific location and include contextual questions for students to investigate within Earth.
Another new, highly requested feature is the Measure tool. After selecting it from the left navigation bar, you can measure point to point or form enclosed spaces to determine the area inside. This can help your students compare the size of cities, monuments, and more.
Voyager is Earth's hub for location-based storytelling. There's a lot of content here, including an education category with interactive articles created by Google Earth partners like PBS, National Geographic, and BBC Earth. At each location, there are additional photos, videos, and annotations that teach you about the location and the context of the larger story.
Another new feature in Voyager is data layers. There are a variety of layers, including things like current weather, sea surface temperature, and wind speed patterns. You can select these layers and then browse the globe to see their real-time effect. At the moment, there are 9 layers to select from, but keep an eye out for more coming soon.
We've highlighted a few cool features of Earth in this episode, but the possibilities are truly endless. While it's easy to get lost for hours in pure exploration, there are plenty of structured uses for the classroom.
If you use Earth in your classroom, we'd love to hear how. Let us know in the comments below. And stay tuned for more episodes of EDU at 90.
Check out our last episode where we look at the Resources Hub in the new Google for Education Teacher Center.